Good morning students. Today in this video we will revise the lesson Nutrition in Animals. First we will discuss filling the blanks. First one. Animals are classified into dash, dash and dash depending on their feeding habits. Yes. The answer is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores depending on their feeding habits. Second one. Dash is an unicellular animal. Which is an unicellular animal? Yes. Amoeba. Amoeba is an unicellular animal. Third one. The dash glands secrete saliva into the mouth. Yes, you are right. The salivary glands secrete saliva into the mouth. Fourth one. Dash teeth is used for piercing and tearing of food into smaller pieces. Yes. Canine is used for piercing and tearing of food into smaller pieces. Fifth one. Dash is the hardest substance in the body. Yes, you are right. Enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body and it is present in teeth. Sixth one. The innermost portion of the tooth is called dash. Yes, you are right. The innermost portion of the tooth is called pulp. Which is the innermost portion of the tooth? Pulp. Pulp is the innermost portion of the tooth. Next one. The soft and sticky material that sticks to the teeth and gums are known as dash. Yes, you are right. It is plaque. Eighth one. The salivary glands, pancreas and liver are dash organs that secrete digestive juices. Yes, the answer is accessory organs. Ninth one. Tongue helps us to roll the chewed food into a ball known as dash. Yes, the answer is bolus. Very good. Next, we will see true or false. First one. Food has to be broken down into simpler substances before it can be used by the body. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, the statement is true. The food has to be broken down into simpler substances before it can be used by the body. Second one. The amoeba does not have a special organ for eating food. Whether it is true or false? Yes, it is false. Amoeba has a special organ for eating food. And what is the name of the special organ? Yes, it is pseudopodia. Next one. The dentine is the hardest part of the body. Whether the statement is true or false? Yes, it is False. Then which is the hardest part of the body? Yes, very good. Enamel is the hardest part of the body. Next one. A child will have 20 milk teeth. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, it is true. The child will have 20 milk teeth and adult will have 32 permanent teeth. Okay, next one, fifth one. Bacteria acts on the bits of food in the mouth to form plaque. Yes, very good. The statement is true. Okay, next. Answer in one word. First one. Name the type of nutrition where animals depends on plants for their food. Yes, you are right. It is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition where animals depends on plants for their food, and these animals are known as heterotrophs. Okay, next one. Name the finger-like projection used by amoeba. Yes, you are right. It is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is a finger-like projection used by amoeba. Third question. How many teeth do adult humans have in their mouth? Very good. It is 32. Next one. What causes tooth decay? Yes, bacteria causes tooth decay. Fifth one. The process of chewing food is known as? Yes, you are right. The process of chewing food is known as mastication. Now, choose the correct answers. First one. Which of these feed on dead animals and plants? The options are herbivores, scavengers, carnivores. Yes, very good. It is scavengers. Scavengers feed on dead plants and animals. Second question. The process of taking food into the body is known as? The first option is egestion, second option is ingestion, and the third option is digestion. Yes, it is ingestion. Ingestion is a process of taking food into the body. Third one. The process of chewing food is known as mastication or nutrition or peristalsis. Yes, very good. It is mastication. Fourth one. The innermost part of the tooth is the, whether it is pulp or gum or dentine. Yes, you are right. It is pulp. Fifth one. Chewed food is made into dash and it is pushed towards the back of the mouth. The options are epiglottis, peristalsis or bolus. Yes, it is bolus. Yes, now we will discuss some short answers. First one, define Holozoic nutrition. The kind of nutrition where food is taken into the body as a liquid or solid and then further broken down is called Holozoic nutrition. So what is Holozoic nutrition? Holozoic nutrition is a kind of nutrition where food is taken into the body as a liquid or solid and then it is further broken down into simpler substances is known as Holozoic nutrition. Okay, second question. Name the 5 steps in nutrition. 5 steps in nutrition are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. These are the 5 steps in nutrition. The 5 steps in nutrition are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Third one, define digestion. The process of breaking down complex food into simpler substances is called digestion. So what is digestion? The process of breaking down complex compound into simpler substances are known as digestion. So students, we have revised some of the questions in nutrition in animals. Learn them thoroughly for the upcoming test. Thank you.